channel, y'all. It's another day, another beautiful day outside here in New York, man. We are on the way to the exhaust shop, and we got everything leveled out, riding. Only reason I got leveled out right now, bro, y'all already know, I ride leaning, but I got it leveled out because we going to Denham Springs. So, like, but like a lot of people don't know, Denham Spring cops, they don't play, bro. They don't play with that squatting stuff, lifted trucks, none of that, bro. It's crazy because, like, back then, like, Denham used to be real cool and chill, but, like, now, like, bro, like, they bad as hell. So, right now, bro, we on the way to Denham Springs, about to get the exhaust fixed. Finally, the LONGTUBE pedals about to be, like, it's gonna be toned down better than what it is sounding right now, bro. Like, running open headers, bro, I'm not gonna lie, it was fun while it lasted, but I can't do it no more, bro. Like, it's way too loud, bro. And then another thing, from what I'm hearing, like, it's real bad on your motor, so I'm not trying to mess nothing up on the motor, not trying, you know what I'm saying? We're not doing that. We're not about to mess nothing up. So, yeah, y'all about to get the exhaust changed out, did the work, have a nice day, y'all, and about to, you know what I'm saying, get to it, bro. I gotta clean the truck out. We got orders shipping out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Wheel light orders, merch orders, man. Make sure y'all go cop your merch, bro. I got new sweatpants dropping next week, bro. New sweatpants, and I got another thing I'm dropping next week as well. I'm trying to get a lot of stuff dropped before Panama City Beach takeover. Make sure y'all be out there March 25th to 27th. Remember, we not going to OBI. Going to Panama, y'all. So make sure y'all book y'all room. Y'all try to see me and Ghost, man. Come slide to Panama. I'm telling you. So yeah, bro. Y'all stay tuned, bro. You can slide. I really got my flashes on just so, like, if I see a cop, bro, like, I'm like, bro, he can't pull me over, dog. Like, real talk. I'm about to sit here and come up with, like, the biggest, like, story on why, like, bro, you should not pull me over right now. Like, dead, like, bro. Alright, y'all, so we at Discount Muffler in Denham Springs. My guy getting me right, what we're doing to the exhaust. We're doing putting the hot flow cats back on with, I think it said 2-inch piping with the X pipe with turn down. So it's gonna sound way better. Hopefully, well, it's gonna sound way better. I never heard what it sound like. Like I said, discount muffler or walk-on muffler. Either one is really good. The only reason I say discount through the week, walk on the weekend, because walkers always on the weekend for like certain times. It's got to do. Y'all remember when Papa had bought a bus? Hey, Papa, you watching this, bro? Look, there go your bus right there, bro. Might tell her, hey, you need to turn that bit around. My little partner want to buy that bit, man. You want to buy that bit back? That shit crazy. That's the same exact bus and everything too. Hey, she got that bit rolling, bro. That bit rolling. For real. Y'all, I gotta get me a Mustang, bro. If I get a Mustang, it gotta be a Chevy. Like, real talk. That thing right there is crazy. God. Bro, look at that. God, no, it's sick, bro. Man, check that thing out. Yeah, bro, I gotta give you a Mustang for the channel. That thing is sick. I gotta give you a Mustang for the channel. They trying to see what you gonna do, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's how that is. Alright, y'all, we almost ready, bro. Don't mind the wiring, y'all. We gotta clean all that stuff up. A lot of that stuff got messed up when we first started doing the project. Y'all know me, bro. I don't like bad wiring. I still gotta clean a lot of that stuff up, though. Other than that, though, so what he's doing, so we have LONGTUBE headers. He we put the high flow caps in. I think it said 2-inch piping, and we're doing the X pipe as well. I don't know what it sounds like with or without the X pipe, but he did say the X pipe will tone it down a little bit, so that's what we're aiming for, because the truck won't be loud like that, especially with the high flow cap. Not with the high, with the long tube pedals. So other than that though, we're going to do turn down right at the middle where he's welding at right now, and we're going to put 5-inch tips. We're going to crank it up, see what it sounds like. Let's hope, you know what I'm saying, everything sounds real good. So yeah, man, let's get it. Alright, y'all, about to see what it sounds like. Let's go ahead and crank it up.